Hey guys, so we kind of changed the floor plan a little bit, and that's the one thing about building the bus and doing the bus thing is you really have to be open to a little bit of change. So what we're going to have now, I guess, is a center hall. So if you're familiar with Ivan LaCroix, you can look up LaCroix Cruiser. He's very similar to this, a few different design changes, but we're going to have a wall here. So wall and wall with a center door. You're going to enter, turn to your right. This is going to be the toilet area. This square is going to be a full shower, 32 by 60. We're going to have a vanity there. The vanity is going to be against that wall. So sink about 24, 30-inch vanity. You're going to come out of the bathroom this direction, through this hall, and then into the open bedroom. This wall here is going to be a 2 by 6 wall, which I know is very unusual for a bus build. A couple of reasons I'm doing a 2 by 6 wall, and then my other walls are going to be 2 by 4 walls. Number one is I got 40 feet to play with. I really feel that a couple inches here or there aren't gonna, make it or break it as far as the bus build goes. I want a 2 by 6 wall because that's where all my mechanical anything is gonna go through. So my stack that goes to the roof for venting, my stack that comes down from the roof for solar, any mechanical components are gonna try and get fitted into that wall. And then everything else is gonna be a 2 by 4 wall. So yeah, here we go. We're going to try and do something. Well, I guess it would help if I hit the record button. Officially, this is my first wall. Please remember, by no stretch of the imagination am I any sort of a builder. That's my bottom plate. My 2 by 6s are going to be in between. My wall is going to be built up to here. So the problem is I don't have a top plate. So what my plan was is to use angle iron as my top plate. I'm going to weld it to the roof. I'm going to weld it to the roof like this, and I'm going to put my studs in between. So that's my top plate and then my bottom plate, and we'll see how it works. I guess here's the final product so far. One wall, 2x6. Like I said, I did 2x6 for a reason. So I completely encased it with angle iron, 1.25 inches, and welded it to the roof, created a header, screwed then the angle iron to the wood, and came down, came to the angle, and yeah, that's where we're at. Hey there, Chris here, Destination Unknown again. I thought I'd just kind of go through what I've been doing here. So, building a wall, your typical wall, less the header, rough opening. We are going to go with a 30-inch door, so rough opening's about that 32. We've gone standard, as standard of building practices as you can get, I guess, with a king stud, the jack stud, and then we've got some, tried to do 16 on center if we could, but I thought I'd just show you the header I decided to do, or the top plate. So I've gone and welded angle iron, 1.25 inch angle iron on the top, between everything. And then what I've done is I've drilled a small hole to get the screw through. And then from there I've gone in with a bigger drill bit and countersunk that hole. So now we're looking at least a fairly rigid top plate. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the door top plate yet. I might just put in a piece of 2x4 up there and call it good. But this is so far the progress that we're making on the bus. So we have the main door opening. It's going to look into the shower, and then go from there.